Hi guys, my name is Shailesh Bhoyar and I have cleared SBI PO and IBPS RRB PO this year. And so today now I am going to tell you about the strategy which I used. Coming to my educational background, I am an engineering graduate and I have completed my graduation in 2019, and from past 1.5 years I have been working in TCS as an assistant system engineer. And so like I was an working aspirant. Now coming to banking exams, I started preparing for banks from May 2020, and like within the span of 8 to 10 months I cleared these exams. So now I'll tell you the exact section wise strategy which I used. Now first we will talk about the reasoning and cons, which are the core sections of banking exams. तो रीजनिंग के बारे में मुझे ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं था, तो सबसे पहले मैंने गूगल पे जाके एग्ज़ाम पैटर्न और एग्ज़ाम सिलेबस के बारे में सर्च किया, और फिर मुझे मेरे एक दोस्त ने वर्चुअस चैनल के बारे में सजेस्ट किया. तो फिर मैंने जाके देखा तो मुझे कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा लगा. तो फिर मैं रेगुलरली क्लासेस अटेंड करता था, और जैसे कि मैंने अभी कहा मैं TCS में भी काम करता था. अगर मुझे सपोज दिन में काम रहता है, मैं अगर लाइव नहीं देख पाता था तो फिर मैं रिकॉर्डेड मोड में जाके देखता था, और उसके बाद में फिर मैं खुद से भी प्रैक्टिस करता था और मॉक्स भी देता था. तो गाइज, दिस वाज सफिशिएंट फॉर रीजनिंग. I suggest you to just go and visit this channel because the content and the quality of the questions are very good, and you won't that too at free of cost. And for cons also I did the same. I first of all I prepared squares, cubes and tables which improved my calculation speed, and after that I used to attend Singh sir's regular cons sessions, which also again helped me in arithmetic topics also. So like for cons and reasoning I heavily relied on Virtuous only, and I suggest all you guys to just go and visit the channel, attend the classes regularly and practice from mocks. That would be all. That would sufficient, and you have ample of time from now. If you start from today only, then also you can clear this year's exam. So just go and once visit the channel. Now coming about English, for English I heavily relied on reading only, because I didn't believe in preparing and reading each and every grammar rules, because in mains the main focus from English section is only on RC. So and that you can improve that through reading only. So read whatever you can. Like I used to read newspaper if I get, or sometimes editorial or any English novel, anything, any English material would help you in improving your skills. So for exams I purely suggest from my side would be to read a newspaper, because that would also improve your general awareness, and unknowingly it will prepare you for interview also. So read any newspaper, and if you want to improve your vocabulary skills, then you can watch any editorial sessions on YouTube, and that would be all for English. And believe me guys, with this strategy only I scored very good marks in English also. Now coming to GA, this is the most important sections, because in this session you can take a very good lead from other aspirants, and this will be very helpful for your final section also. But if like this year's in SBI PO, the GA section was very tough, so that for that also you need to be prepared. And so I used three sources. First one was Adda 247's daily video, which was taken by Ashish Gautam sir, and then Study IQ daily video, which was taken by Gaurav Garg, and then AffairsCloud daily PDF, or sometimes I used to just glance through it, and before the exam I use exam PDF, which served me as a revision. So for GA I did this, I used these three sources, but my suggestion to you would be at least to use for exam, at least use two sources, and that would be all. Now coming to the mocks, I believe in attending mocks live only, and whenever you get time, please attend mock, and after that please analyze it with utmost care. Whenever you don't find time to attend the mocks, then you can practice from the playlist which I mentioned above. And after giving the mock, you can analyze it, see which questions you couldn't attend, and which questions you skip, try to find the solution which will improve you, and in next time maybe you can your score will also improve. And for mains also, try to attend at least 2 mocks a week, and that would be sufficient. And with this strategy, guys, I scored very good marks. Now I'll tell you about the marks which I scored in these exams. Now for RRBPO, I scored 64.5 in pre-exams, and 136.36 marks in main exam. In interview, I scored 75. So my total weighted score out of 100 was 69.62, which was in fact the highest score from Maharashtra. Now about SBI, I scored 69.5 in pre-exam, and 111.12, that 111.12 marks in mains exam, and 48 out of 50 in interview. And here my weighted score was 57.34, and I got my first preference, that is Maharashtra Circle. So my suggestion to all of you would be to be consistent. Like I never skipped a single session of GA from 1st May till my main exams were over. So be consistent, guys, and go just visit the channel Virtuous, which I tell you, and prepare from it. Surely you will clear this year's exam, and all the best to you guys. Thanks.